Want to learn how to turn original photos into cartoon images or coloring pages using Canva? In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get creative. So the first thing you want to do is you want to upload the image that you want to use. So I have already done that. I'm going to add the image to my page. I'm going to remove the background. And with the image still selected, I'm going to head on over to the Apps tab. And I want to search for the Cartoonify app. I'm going to select it. Next, I'm just going to select Cartoonify and replace. As you can see, it has created a cartoon version of my original image. I'm just going to resize it and place it on the cover of my coloring book. Next, I'm going to walk you through how to make the photo black and white for coloring. Again, we're going to start with the original image and add it to our page and remove the background. Next, we want to edit the image and add a black and white filter. So select Edit, click under the filter options and scroll down to the mono and select the classic option. This is going to turn the image black and white instantly. So after applying the filter, we're going to tweak the image some more by adjusting the brightness slightly to make the lighter areas pop. We're going to increase the contrast to enhance the darker lines to make the image more defined. And we're going to fine tune it with additional adjustments. Now, these adjustments won't be necessary for every image, but they can be helpful depending on the quality and details in the original photo that you're using. So once I'm done and happy with how the photo is looking, I'm just going to resize it and place it onto my coloring page. Now Canva does have some apps available that will turn the image into a coloring page automatically, such as the Tracer app. This is the image that we created using the Tracer app in Canva. And this is the image that we created editing the photo by adding a black and white filter and making adjustments to the brightness and contrast. All right, guys, I hope you all found the video helpful or you learned something new. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more DIY tips and creative projects. If you're looking to create your own custom coloring books, we have got a ready-to-edit template available over on our website. Just check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.